Bro, I'm not even gonna hold y'all. I've been fucking with Shorty for a minute now, and I think she could be wifey, y'all. Like wifey, for real, bro. She cook for a nigga. She clean.
Word.
Always got time to spend with me. Honestly, like she's really an angel. Like she even said like she's trying to save herself for marriage. Like
wow. Don't no chicks be trying to do that in 2020.
Matter of fact, let me show you Shorty. Let me show y'all.
Facts, what she looking like?
That's her right there. What happened?
Yo,
what happened?
that's Bo Quee.
What's up?
Hold on.
Wait, she said.
Wait. Let me see another picture. Make sure I'm not bugging. Make sure we not bugging.
Look, she right there.
She said she saving herself for marriage?
Yes, nigga.
Where you met her from, bro?
I met her at the spot.
When?
That's your wifey?
Yeah.
How long y'all been talking?
3 weeks.
You kissing her and all that?
Yeah, bro.
Word.
Might want to brush your teeth.
What are y'all talking about? What are y'all talking about, bro?
Yo, my nigga. Son, where the fuck do I start, my nigga?
Nigga, we ran a train on her with JoJo.
JoJo, my nigga.
What JoJo? My brother JoJo?
Oh, that is his brother! Yo, my nigga, how you not know about this?
Mind you, bro, we dead ran a train on her maybe like 4 weeks ago?
Nasty, dog.
And you been fucking with her for 3 weeks? Bro, I'm not gonna lie, bro. She nasty, bro.
That's not funny, y'all. That's not funny. That's not funny. That's not funny. That's not funny.
That's not funny.
He gonna kill himself.
I ain't gonna lie though, I'll hit it again.
That's a fat sign. That shit was fire, son.